Ready to embrace a chic, youthful shortcut that perfectly complements your style? Discover the top 10 trendy short hairstyles that will have you feeling fabulous. 1. Pixie Cut. This timeless cut is incredibly low maintenance and highlights great bone structure. It offers a sophisticated, polished look and is ideal for women with finer hair, adding a beautiful sense of volume. A slightly longer pixie on top provides versatility, allowing for different styling options, from sleek to tousled. It's a fantastic choice for a quick daily routine and a dramatic, confident style statement. Perfect for a smooth transition to gray or silver hair, the Pixie Cut showcases your natural color beautifully. It's a universally flattering style that truly stands out with minimal effort. 2. Asymmetrical Bob. The Asymmetrical Bob is a youthful and edgy choice, with one side noticeably longer than the other. This dynamic cut adds a striking element and is best suited for women with straight or slightly wavy hair. This style is excellent for giving the illusion of fullness and movement, especially with a deep side part. It beautifully draws attention to the jawline and can be adapted to almost any face shape. By incorporating subtle layers, you prevent the bob from looking too heavy, giving it a lighter, more modern feel. The varying lengths create a fashionable, attention-grabbing silhouette. 3. Layered Shaggy Bob. This style brings back the beloved shag, but modernized with softer, face-framing layers. It's perfect for adding volume to fine hair and works well with natural waves or curls, creating a playful look. The choppy layers add amazing texture and movement, making styling incredibly easy and fun. This relaxed cut requires minimal effort and is flattering for virtually everyone. Softening facial lines. Ask for subtle highlights throughout the layers to enhance the movement and dimension of the cut. This technique catches the light beautifully, giving the hair a healthy, vibrant, and thicker appearance. 4. Tapered Nape Cut Short Stacked Bob. The stacked layers at the back instantly create volume and lift, providing a perfect shape that lasts all day. This cut is perfect for straight hair, where the graduation and taper are most visible. It's a sophisticated variation of the bob that offers a sleek profile view thanks to the closely cropped nape. This structure is ideal for keeping the neck area neat and cool during warmer months. The gradual increase in length from the back to the front adds a beautiful curvature and structure to the head. It's an excellent choice for women looking for a structured, polished, and powerful silhouette. 5. Curly/wavy short crop. Embrace your natural texture. A short crop is brilliant for managing and showcasing beautiful natural curls or waves. The shorter length allows curls to spring up and have more definition and volume. This low-maintenance style minimizes heat damage and complex styling, making it a healthy choice for textured hair. It gives a soft, natural frame to the face, highlighting the eyes and smile. By keeping the sides slightly shorter than the top, you create a flattering shape that prevents the hair from becoming too wide. This balances the volume and makes the hair look intentional and chic. 6. Side-swept bangs Pixie. Adding long, sweeping bangs to a pixie cut completely transforms the look, offering softness and an element of mystery. The bangs are perfect for camouflaging forehead lines, providing an instantly youthful effect. This combination works for various hair textures and allows you to easily switch between a full coverage and a brush-back look. The extra length at the front offers great styling flexibility. The side sweep adds an appealing diagonal line that helps to slim and elongate the face. It's an easy-to-manage style that maintains the convenience of a short cut while adding a touch of elegance. 7. A-line Bob Graduated Bob. The A-line bob is longer in the front and gradually gets shorter towards the back without the stacked layers. This sophisticated angle is excellent for making fine hair appear thicker and fuller. This cut is a fantastic option for a sleek, professional look that requires minimum daily effort. The clean lines provide a structured, high-fashion finish that is universally well-received. The forward-angled pieces are perfect for framing and softening the jawline and neck. It's a chic and modern alternative to a traditional bob, offering a flattering shape from all angles. 8. Textured crop with height. By adding layers and using styling product to lift the hair at the crown, you can create a stunning textured crop. The height elongates the face and adds a youthful, energetic flair to the overall style. This cut is specifically designed to maximize the volume on top, which is ideal for women experiencing hair thinning at the crown. It's fun, easy to style, and full of personality. The short, clean sides contrast beautifully with the texture on top, creating a balanced and modern look. This style allows for easy experimentation with different levels of lift and texture. 9. Soft Chin Length Bob. A classic chin-length bob with very subtle layers is the epitome of elegance. It frames the face beautifully and is a wonderfully versatile length that can be worn straight, wavy, or tucked behind the ears. The absence of sharp angles and the soft edges give this style a gentle, flattering look that beautifully complements mature features. It's a great choice for medium to thick hair. Pair this bob with a simple middle or slightly off-center part to achieve a balanced, symmetrical look. This style never goes out of fashion and conveys a timeless sense of confidence. 10. Pixie with undercut, for the truly bold. A pixie with a subtle undercut on the sides or back adds a fantastic, modern edge. This style is incredibly cool and lightweight, providing a very structured and sharp look. This is an excellent option for women with very thick hair, as the undercut removes bulk, making the hair feel lighter and easier to manage. It's a statement cut that shows off confidence. The contrast between the short, buzz section and the longer hair on top creates drama and dimension. It offers the versatility of a pixie, but with an extra dose of trendy sophistication and flair. Don't forget to share your favorite style number in the comments.